Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on and power off Xiaomi wireless air compressor. To do this, first we'll need to basically unplug this wire on top. Make sure that you do it on the left one. Just put it up and it should power on. And if you want to power it off, then secure the plug and it should automatically power off. In case your device doesn't want to power on, then you will need to check the battery and just plug in the charger right here. It's USB-C. And you can see the battery in the top right corner of the display. So if it's at 0 and the battery sign is empty, that means you can't power it on. You will need to charge it first. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.